Hey guys, we're here with the Factor Formula and we're just trying out their products and we're gonna give you a review on their products and what we do today while we're trying it out. So here's the box that it comes in. It says the Factor Formula Skin, Hair, and Nourishment. So today our products that we're gonna be using are aloe vera cleanser. And then we have these supplements, the antioxidant supplements that we're going to take for skin, hair, vitamins. This is how it looks. And the last product is the organic tea tree toner. See that a little bit. And for the products that we use when we apply to our face, when we're using the bamboo facial pads that came in the wash bag. So after you finish, put it in here and take it and wash it. It lasts up to like 1,000 washes and cleanses. So yeah, the first thing first we're gonna do is apply the cleanser to our face and then leave it on for at least 30 seconds to 60 seconds. We're gonna wash it off. So now we're adding the aloe vera cleanser on. You can see. So like 1 pump at least, that's how much it is, 1 pump, to apply to your face with our fingers.
Just rub it all throughout. 1 pump should be good. Just rub the second motions throughout your face.
Okay, then we're gonna let it sit for like 30 seconds. After we applied it for 30 seconds, it already dissolved in our face. Now we're gonna wash it off, and then after we apply the toner with the pads.
So we just finished washing off the cleanser, and now we're gonna apply the organic tea tree toner to the bamboo pads, and we're gonna wipe it all around our face.
So we're not gonna add a lot since we're just starting out. Should put like 2 drops, at least 2, 3, and then you can wipe it all around your face.
Since it's toner and it dries out and you have oily skin, it's more suggested that you use a moisturizer at the end. So we're going to use a moisturizer of eye wiping after this. And just wipe it around so it gets all over.
That's it. That's our routine now. This is our new regimen that we'll be using. Thanks to the Factor Formula. Once again. Well, thank you, Factor Formula, for sending us the products. We appreciate it. And thanks guys for watching.